Hello everyone. In our last video, we learned about speed, velocity, what is average speed and what is average velocity. Today we will relearn some of its formulas and do some few numericals. Clear? So let's begin. Let's begin with our knowledge on last class, that is what is speed. You know speed is distance upon time taken. That means the distance taken by an object per unit time. And whereas what is velocity? That is velocity means displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. And hence we get that velocity is a vector quantity and speed is a scalar quantity. Again we know what is average speed. It is the total distance covered or distance covered by total time taken. Right? We learned that in last class. Whereas average velocity means initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. That means the arithmetic mean of initial plus final velocity. So these are the basic formulas to know about the distance, velocity, average speed and average velocity. Basing on this, we will do few of the questions regarding speed and velocity. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1. So here is the question. A car travels a distance of 150 km from Delhi to Jaipur towards east in 3 hours. Calculate first speed and second velocity of the car for this journey. Very easy and simple question. So let's start. पहले क्या बता रहा है कि एक कार ने ट्रैवल किया दिल्ली से जयपुर about 150 किलोमीटर towards east. उसको कितना समय लग गया? 3 hours. So this is the east, this is west, north and south. So it was moving from Delhi to Jaipur around east towards east in 3 hours, which took him about 150 kilometer. Okay, so here distance is given as 150 kilometer and time taken is given as 3 hours. Towards east. तो speed निकालना बहुत आसान है. We know speed is distance covered by time taken. By time taken, that is 150 by 3 equals to 50 kilometer per hour. So very easy. Means speed is 150 by 3 is 50 kilometer per hour. Clear? So we got the first answer. Now what is velocity? Velocity of course क्योंकि ये एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, स्पीड और वेलोसिटी यहाँ पे सेम रहेंगे. वेलोसिटी भी यहाँ पे उतना ही रहेगा 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. आपको ये मेंशन करना चाहिए टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी एंड सॉरी इट्स 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी और स्पीड सेम ही होंगे बिकॉज दे आर मूविंग इन अ सेम डायरेक्शन. अगर डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लेता तो वेलोसिटी का आंसर कुछ डिफरेंट आता. So are you clear with this? Speed is distance upon time, that is 50 km per hour, and velocity is 50 km per hour towards east. So let's move on to the next question. So here is a question that a bus is moving with an initial velocity of 35 km per hour. After some time, its final velocity is 115 km per hour. Find its average velocity. So understand the concept that this bus has an initial velocity of 35 km per hour. Means we can write as I is 35 km per hour. After some time, the final velocity, so here is the concept that here the initial velocity given u as 35 km per hour. We know that we can write as initial velocity as u, and after some time the final velocity v of that bus is 115 km per hour. That means here is the path. The bus travels with an initial velocity of 35 km per hour, and later that same bus has the final velocity as 115 km per hour. So of course the speed here changes. So what is the average velocity? So we know average velocity, very easy, as initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. That means 35 plus 115 by 2, that is equals to 150 by 2. It is 75 kilometer per hour. Easy? So we can find the average velocity as 75 kilometer per hour for that bus. So here it goes like this, and let's move to our next question. So here the question goes like this. For half time, the body travels at 50 km per hour and for rest 20 km per hour. Find its average speed. So it's a bit tricky question. So यहाँ पे बच्चे क्या कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं कि दो स्पीड तो दे दिया है और हमें एवरेज निकालना है, मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द अरिथमेटिक मीन. But in some cases it is true, but not in every question. So we have to go by its formula. So what is average speed? We know average speed is total distance by total time taken. But have we given by the distance and time? No. तो हमें पहले इसका डिस्टेंस निकालना पड़ेगा, फिर टाइम, देन वी हैव टू गो थ्रू द एवरेज स्पीड फॉर्मूला. सो हियर इट गोज लाइक दिस. देखिए, सो बॉडी जो है, सपोज बॉडी को मूव करने में टोटल टाइम लगा है t. क्लियर? सो फॉर हाफ टाइम, यानी कि t by 2, हाफ टाइम मतलब पूरे t का आधा हाफ होगा t by 2, फ्रॉम लेट पॉइंट O to A एंड लेट एट पॉइंट B, O से A जाने के लिए वो it was going with a speed of 50 km per hour. Fine. And for the rest, means rest time for t by 2, another time, another half time, it is moving with 20 km per hour. So what is the average speed of that car from O to B? So चलिए इसका निकालता हूँ. It goes like this. Here the distance हमें पता नहीं है, टाइम टेकन लेट इट बी t. फाइन. सिंस हमें पता है कि स्पीड जो होता है वो डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम होता है, राइट? और आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस, s इक्वल्स टू d by t. दिस इंप्लाइज वी कैन फाइंड डिस्टेंस एज स्पीड इनटू टाइम. करेक्ट? सो हम पहला डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं फ्रॉम O to A, जिसको हम लिखते हैं d1. तो d1 क्या होगा? यहाँ पे स्पीड कितना दिया है? 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर इनटू टाइम t बाय 2, दैट इज 50t by 2 इक्वल्स टू 25t. फाइन. एंड फॉर द रेस्ट पार्ट लेट इट इज d2. डिस्टेंस कितना दिया हुआ है, सॉरी स्पीड कितना दिया हुआ है? 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड टाइम टेकन इज t half, दैट इज 10t. फाइन. So here we got total distance. Total distance हमको कितना मिल गया? d1 plus d2, that is 25t plus 10t equals to 35t. So here we have the total distance. And what is the total time taken? That is t. तो easily हम निकाल सकते हैं. So what is average speed? Total distance covered by total time taken. So what is the total distance? We just now find out this is 35t. And total time taken को हमने पहले से ले लिया था t. So what we got here? 35 kilometer. Okay? Per hour. So this is the average speed of that body जिसका हमें डिस्टेंस तो बताया नहीं गया, सिर्फ हाफ टाइम में बताया गया कि 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड फॉर द रेस्ट इट इज 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो आप ये भी देख सकते हैं कि हम इसका मीन भी निकालते हैं, अगर 50 प्लस 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 35, तब भी हमारा आ जाता है एवरेज स्पीड, बट दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट प्रोसेस टू डू इट. सो वी हैव टू गो थ्रू द फॉर्मूला और the given process, then we will find out the correct answer accurately. So hope you all understand this concept. So these are some questions regarding velocity and speed and average velocity and average speed. In the upcoming video we will learn about what is acceleration and some of its numericals. So that's all for today. For any question and queries, please put in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Expert Learning Academy. Thank you.